Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for another love bite. Let's see Aquarius, what message wants to show through for you today. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your wonderful support to the channel. And yes, of course, if you're new here, Aquarius, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So there's still a chapter of your life which is still open, it seems, Aquarius. The cards I have on the table, okay, oh, Aquarius, Three of Swords, underlying energy of my reading, heartbreak, but this chapter is still open from what I see, Aquarius. Let's see what's going on. So the cards I have on the table, Aquarius, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below, okay? So the cards I have on the table right now are the Four of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, Seven of Wands, the World, Knight of Swords, Ace of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, and the Ten of Wands. Somebody is in deep contemplation, maybe healing, holding back, guarding themselves, not wanting to fight anymore with somebody who brings in a lot of conflict. I don't know what this is. We'll clarify these cards, Aquarius. Let's start with some dialogue message cards and see what's going on here, Aquarius. Why is this big heart plunged with hurt and pain? And why is this chapter still open? Okay, let's take one more. And let's take a few from here, Aquarius. And a couple more from here. All right, good to go, Aquarius. Let's begin your reading. The first card I have here says, it drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent. And quite frankly, your behavior takes the piss at times. You really need to act like an adult for our relationship to work. I did notice this very immature energy here, who's doesn't take responsibility, speaks whatever's in their mind or heart without thinking of the consequences of how it's going to affect the other person. Very rash, very rude sometimes as well. Second card says, I always look out for you because I love you unconditionally. Second reference to unconditional love. Unconditionally, I try to warn you about fake people with bad intentions who are out there to manipulate and use you. It cuts deep because you seem to trust everyone but me. You're all I think about, the past, the good times, our crazy passion, the drama, and how I want you now. Damn. Okay. You are my muse. If only you knew how much you've inspired me. Darling, you are my masterpiece. I wish I could let go of fear to tell you how much you really inspire me. My mind is in turmoil trying to figure out how I can fix the mess I've made. I'm suffering from sleepless nights and feeling very low and anxious. During our separation, our love has only grown stronger. I long to see you again and unite as one. I want to protect you. I want to steal your smiles, stop your tears, and wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you're the best thing that's ever happened to me. Please make time for me. My feelings for you are platonic. Oh my God, where did that come from? Okay. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand I need time. So this could be somebody new coming into your life here, Aquarius. Maybe new and old are here, I don't know. Because I do see the 3 of Swords here. Alright, so let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, I am going to take an angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Aqua gang. Aquarius, angels want you to be brave. You can do anything you want. You can tame a lion. This is like that strength card in the tarot, right? Be brave. A person taming a lion. That's what you have to be. You don't have to be afraid of anything. You can do what you want. I think you're showing up here as either being or wanting to being single and brave on your own. Alright, so let's start your reading, Aquarius. What's this 4 of Swords, Spirit? And the 4 of Pentacles? 4 of Swords and the 4 of Pentacles. Somebody is trying to make a decision now. Yes, there's either been a tower moment, Aquarius, in your life, or there's going to be. Somebody is going to make a decision, maybe to hold back, to protect themselves, and give up. See the 4 of Swords again. 4 of Swords, 4 of Swords. This is somebody alone, contemplating, praying, wishing, healing. So what's this tower then, Spirit, in the middle of all this healing? What decision is being made here? What's this tower moment? What's this tower got to do with this healing? Ending of a conflict? Ending of some competition? I don't know. This card also has come out twice. What's this 4 of? No emotional happiness here. Somebody is not emotionally happy, maybe with a partner who's very cold and unemotional and doesn't give to the connection, maybe is not very good in their communication, could be, rude sometimes, or never brings any clarity, or maybe tells lies, I don't know. Whatever this is, one person has been very emotionally unhappy. So 4 of Pentacles, Spirit. 4 of Pentacles. They don't want to do this again. They feel let karma deal with this person now. This person who's always been a false emperor in my life, always brought drama to my life, always kind of trying to, pretend to be the emperor they're not, or it's always their way or the highway, always trying to control everything, very possessive maybe. So somebody is trying to guard themselves regarding that and not kind of really fight for this connection anymore. They don't want to go forward with this connection anymore, I think, or with this person. 7 of Wands. Yeah, somebody wants to leave all this drama behind. They are not happy at all. Emotionally very, very dissatisfied. Want to leave this drama, this tension, this turbulent waters behind and move on to a calm place for themselves. So why is the World card in reverse then, Spirit? Why is this chapter still open? Why is the World card in reverse? One more. Why is the World card in reverse? Oh, this could be a committed relationship. This could be a committed relationship. Maybe you guys are in a marriage or a long-term partnership or something. Even though there is no more passion left here, somebody feels their partner is very self-centered, very selfish, because of maybe a structured union or marriage or something. This is still going on for some reason, even though I do see constant, bickering. Knight of Swords, Spirit. Knight of Swords. Yeah, somebody really does want to release this. They want to get out of this connection, which is only drama filled and always it's toxic. It's turning toxic from what, at least that's how they feel. Ace of Swords in reverse. Yes, they feel their partner is a trickster, never speaks the truth. There is absolutely no reason to take this forward anymore or live with a person who's a liar, an illusionist, who tricks people or tricks them. So, Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody doesn't want to be in a relationship which is imbalanced now. They would rather be single and grow on their own and have become the empress. They have the, this is pre-empress, this is empress. This is why should I be in a relationship which is imbalanced when I have the capacity, capability of taking care of myself and grow in a healthy way into abundance. So then if they've made up their mind, Spirit, why is the Ten of Wands here? Ten of Wands. Why are they feeling overwhelmed with this decision? Because they're worried maybe of gossip. Maybe they're worried that people will talk, or one more. Why very confusing here. They are a little bit in two minds, I think. I think each time they decide that I'm upset or I don't want this anymore, they kind of get overwhelmed with the idea of leaving this commitment, because they do share some, maybe a long time. Maybe you guys have been together for a long time, or there's a sort of a bond or a friendship between the two of you. Each time I think this feminine gets angry, their partner just comes towards them maybe with a message or an apology, and they kind of... One more card, Spirit. Why do they get this overwhelmed? Because they have a little bit of fear of abandonment. Whoever this feminine is, who is kind of wanting to get out but doesn't get out, has a fear of abandonment, like they feel overwhelmed with the fact that I may be left alone, how am I going to cope alone, or something like that, right? So they're sitting in this connection which is giving them heartbreak. So let's have a card for the heartbreak card as well. Three of Swords, Spirit. Yes, they've never been able to make that choice. They've never been able to make that choice. How to stop, being or fighting for this connection, and how to get over all the stress and tension. This is a decision which has to be made, which I don't think this person, as much as they fantasize, get irritated, everything, they don't have this bravery. They feel they have a fear that they'll be abandoned or feel left out or be alone. So that's the reason they hang on to this connection, very well knowing that it's not making them very happy. Okay, so that's what I have for you, Aquarius. I don't know if it worked for you. Let me know. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.